Jade rollers and gua sha tools are popping up everywhere. These ancient beauty tools are making a huge comeback in the modern skincare world. These tools are like little time machines for your face, helping to rejuvenate and refresh your skin. They've been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, trusted for their healing and beautifying properties. Now they're must-haves for skincare lovers around the world, embraced by beauty enthusiasts of all ages and backgrounds. What's the secret? They offer a natural way to achieve healthy, glowing skin, enhancing your beauty routine with minimal effort. Curious about incorporating these tools into your routine? It's easier than you might think, and the benefits are truly remarkable. Keep reading to uncover the power of jade rolling and gua sha. These simple tools can make a big difference in your skincare regimen. Simple techniques, big results. That's the beauty of these ancient practices. They fit seamlessly into any skincare routine. Get ready for a radiant transformation. Your skin will thank you for embracing these timeless beauty secrets. The Jade Roller, a small handheld tool with a smooth, cool jade stone, has been a beauty secret for centuries. It is a gentle weapon against puffiness and fatigue, offering a soothing experience. How does it work? By gently massaging the face, the Jade Roller boosts circulation, bringing fresh blood to the skin's surface, which is essential for a healthy complexion. This increased blood flow nourishes the skin, giving it a healthy, youthful glow that radiates from within. But that's not all. Jade rolling also helps to reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes, where we often see signs of tiredness. It does this by promoting lymphatic drainage, which helps to eliminate toxins and excess fluid, leaving your skin looking more toned and refreshed. The result? A brighter, more awake-looking you, with a complexion that feels rejuvenated and revitalized. Incorporate jade rolling into your morning routine for a refreshing start to your day, and enjoy the benefits of this ancient beauty ritual. The gua sha tool, often heart-shaped and made of jade or rose quartz, is like a workout for your face. Don't worry, it's a relaxing workout. Using gentle scraping motions, gua sha helps to release tension in the facial muscles. This can soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Beyond its anti-aging benefits, gua sha also promotes lymphatic drainage, just like jade rolling. This helps to define facial contours for a more sculpted look. Regular gua sha practice can leave you with a more contoured, youthful appearance. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from real users who have transformed their skincare routines. People everywhere are experiencing the amazing benefits of jade rolling and gua sha. One user shares, "I've struggled with under-eye bags for years, trying countless products with little success. Since I started jade rolling every morning, my skin feels rejuvenated and refreshed. I've noticed a visible difference. The puffiness has reduced significantly. My eyes look brighter and less puffy. It's like a miracle." Another user raves about the effects of gua sha, saying, "I was skeptical at first, unsure if it would really work. But after a few weeks of using my gua sha tool, I saw noticeable changes. I can't deny the results. My skin looks firmer, smoother, and more youthful. And my jawline is more defined. It's truly remarkable. It's like a mini facelift at home. I feel more confident and radiant every day." Incorporating jade rolling and gua sha into your skincare routine is simple and enjoyable. These tools enhance your skincare product's absorption by gently pressing them into the skin. Use them after cleansing and toning, and before applying serums and moisturizers. Remember, consistency is key. Make jade rolling and gua sha a part of your daily or weekly self-care ritual for the best results. With their ease of use and remarkable benefits, these ancient beauty secrets can help you achieve a radiant, youthful glow that shines from within.